Hey there, everybody, and thanks for checking in with us, Traveling with Jack and Pam. I'm Jack, and of course, Pam is my heavenly wife these days. And we're kind of getting off the track a little bit and talking burgers. Yeah, I know some of you, if you've been watching our channel for any length of time, go, but Jack, you're a health nut. You cook organic, you do cooking demos and things like that. That's true, but I also fall off the wagon. At least once, maybe sometimes twice a week. I like to call them my cheat days. And one of my favorite places for a cheat day is a place that Pam and I discovered when we first moved to the West Coast almost 30 years ago. That, of course, being In-N-Out Burger. Now, In-N-Out Burger has a loyal following of fans from coast to coast. Problem is, you can generally get them just on the West Coast. They are now popping up in Texas, and I understand a new distribution center is going to be going in the Nashville area, so parts of the Southeast will eventually have access to In-N-Out Burger. Now, for me and for Pam, and our kids too, we always enjoyed stopping at an In-N-Out Burger. But you got to kind of control those stops because it can get out of hand. It is highly, highly addictive. But what I wanted to talk to you about today, though, is that I discovered something new on my cheat day when I decided to go to In-N-Out. First time I've been there in probably a couple of months, but I'd heard about getting a double-double, which I love. I like the double-double, grill the onions. And, you know, normally it comes on a bun, and everybody goes, woo, all the carbs, and then it turns to sugar, and then all the sodium. Throw all that out the window. It's a cheat day. And I was looking, though, for some flavor enhancement. And somebody told me you should try the tomato wrap. OMG, were they right. I'm going to tell you, even those of you who like it on the bun, I think you'll love the tomato wrap. I don't know how to describe it other than to say that the tomato wrapped around that double-double, it just tends to enhance the flavor to almost a sweetness, if you will. I mean, it was fantastic. And it really wasn't that messy either. I was really surprised. It holds together really well. And I do think next time what I would do, though, is have them to do it with a thicker cut tomato. And In-N-Out's great about special requests. They'll do it for you. Now, the tomato wrapped double-double, just in case you do want to keep up with calorie counts and net carbs and things like that. Again, if you're doing a cheat day at In-N-Out, just forget that. But I did look it up. It comes in calorie-wise at 520 calories. Net carbs ranged anywhere from 8 to 11. So it's a fairly carb-friendly option for you. Now, a lot of people, though, prefer the lettuce wrap, and a lot of people know about the lettuce wrap. I've had it as well. I like the tomato wrap better, though. I think it knocked it out of the park. And on the lettuce wrap, you're not going to save anything on the calories or the carbs. It comes in at basically the same. And then that brings us to the old traditional double-double, and for me, grill the onions on that good old spongy white bun that they have there. And it comes in at a whopping 670 calories and a whopping 39 net carbs. So you will pay the price if you get the bun. But again, if you don't go overboard and do it every week or twice a week, every couple of months, it is certainly fine. So that's kind of my review of In-N-Out Burger doing the tomato wrap. I would highly encourage you to try it. It is absolutely wonderful. Also, for those of you that like their fries, but also say, I wish I could get them a little bit more crispy. Did you know you can tell them you want your fries extra crispy? Or they have a couple of different ways. But anyway, they'll crisp them up for you. That's the great thing about In-N-Out Burger. Everybody talks about the secret menu. It's not really a secret menu. People know about it. They just don't post it. But they are very accommodating for little special requests like that. And they're still fairly friendly when it comes to the price. In fact, today I had the tomato wrap. I did get an order of fries, and I had iced tea, unsweetened iced tea, came in at $10.05, and I was nice and full. So next time you're at In-N-Out Burger, I would highly encourage you, maybe try out the tomato wrap. Trust me, I don't think you'll regret it. I think you'll really, really enjoy it. And as always, it was delicious, it was juicy, the cheese was perfect, the onions were perfect. Good job, In-N-Out Burger. Hey, keep watching the channel. Subscribe. Share, donate if you like. Don't forget the podcast too, Love Letters to Pam. In the meantime, have a great day. Better yet, a better tomorrow. Bye now.